Most businesses don't have a lead problem. They have a trust problem. The problem is your customers just don't trust you yet. The first time they hear about you, they're going to forget about you. They don't trust you. They don't like you. They just don't know you. Today's video, I'm going to break down 3 simple ways you can use videos to automatically build trust with your leads. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years. We've worked with over 3,000 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. Now, today I'm going to share my screen, break down the 3 ways you can use video to build trust. And if you're new to my channel, the video right before this, and I'll link the playlist here, goes over the full relationship marketing framework. I've been building relationships with customers online. It's the fastest and best way to scale online. Most people say, Brad, I watched all your videos. You've helped me. Now can I hire you? And that's what you want your clients to do. You want them to watch your videos and trust you. So if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you this free tool that you can just use easily for your business to find out what videos to make, what to say in the videos, and how to make them so you truly build relationships with your customers. All right, let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. Okay, so if you take a look at this page here, you're going to see the different 5 steps on the left that you can start following. Now, the first step you want to follow is building a relationship style video that welcomes brand new people. So right here, create a welcome video. You can see I posted my business name, who I help, what's my main value, and it's given me the exact script of exactly what I should say in this video. It's easier than ever to use AI to help you script this. Now, you may not be comfortable on camera yet. It's totally fine. It took me 6 months to make my first video. If you take a look at my YouTube channel, this welcome video I have, the first video people watch, is one of the most impactful things we've done for our business. We also have it on our About page. And what people say is, it was great getting to know you on that video. It's only 1 minute and 15 seconds long. Now I feel like I can trust you and I can work with you from there. Now, if you are nervous making these videos, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you over my framework on how to make welcome videos so they're natural. You don't have to memorize the script. You don't have to use a teleprompter. You could literally just use your iPhone or your phone and film it horizontal and say, this is who I am. This is how we help. I'm looking forward to meeting you. That's for a different video, but we'll break into it if you guys want help. Just comment system and we'll send it over. Okay, now the value of this welcome video is when somebody watches it, that you are a brand that they can trust, an authentic business owner, that personal brand. People want to work with people more than companies. So that's one of the most valuable things there. Okay, the next thing you want to look for are common questions your customers are asking. These are the videos that you can actually create long form YouTube videos about, or even short reels and short videos about. This actually helps as a pillar piece for us generate tons of content. With one long form video, we can actually create 30 pieces of content from that. What I know is what my customers are actually searching for automation links. They're looking for how to get more leads, how to automate my marketing. So I need to create a video answering that question and actually providing value. So what you want to do is go find those common questions. You can see top customer questions here. How do coaches get clients consistently? What's the best way to do my pricing? How can I stick out above others? Now this is different. This will be different for your business. But if you head over to my YouTube channel here, you're going to see all of these videos is how to, what is. So I'm answering those common questions in these long form videos. Now you can do this in the short form videos or the long form videos. I recommend doing 1 per week, answering that question in a long form video style just like this, posting it to YouTube. And then what you can do is actually crop that and turn it into short videos, posts. So you can create posts based on what you said in that video. Now the key to these videos is the packaging. You don't want to just make a video on what you think is going to work. You need to make a video on what your customers are searching for, the algorithm wants. Google, ChatGPT, YouTube. What are those things people are actually typing into Google to find the answer? You have to go figure that out. So with AI, you can say, this is a common question my customers ask. What are some titles that I can use? So you can see that these might be some good titles that would show up for this exact common question, because you don't want to just make a random video. You want to have intent behind your video, answering the question, but then also using the proper titles to show up in those searches. And what I like to do, I like to just go over to Google or ChatGPT, type that in, and I can go see sponsored results, ignore those. But you can see they're showing YouTube videos here at the top. So what you want to say is, how do I automate my marketing? This guy did it right. How to automate your marketing, how to implement marketing, how I use AI to automate my marketing. So you can go see example titles that people are making. You can also go see what people are asking in Reddit. And if you scroll down just a little bit more, you'll also see related products and services. But I think the most important, people also. That's why I like using Google for this, because you can actually see some other things people are asking and you can go create your content around that. Okay, last but not least, it's time to make the video. This is my favorite framework. And like I promised, if you stuck with me towards the end, I would provide this layout for you. What I like to do is know that I need to hit a hook. I even did it at the beginning of this video. I need to tell them why they should stay. I promise you this free tool if you stayed. I'll give the link down in the description below. And then what I like to do is have bullet points that I can either write down on my screen, I can write down on paper, or I can just remember in my head. Then I want to share a story, an example, and then a call to action. So I've got my title. This is my goal, to build trust and educate the viewer. And then you can pause between sets. So what I like to do is say the hook, pause, keep eye contact with the camera, look at my notes, come back, and then say, hey, if you stick with me to the end, or if you leave a comment, I'll provide you this free tool. Just think about how you can implement this for your business. And then I like to have those 3 bullet points in mind. I've got them on my screen. So first, a welcome video. Then you need to find common questions and answer those. And then you need to make the video. Then I like to have a story, which I'm going to share with you guys in just a minute here. And then a call to action. So this is to get the free tool, to download something in the description. I love asking to share more about your business down below so I can support you and follow you back. So different things like that to continue building that relationship. Okay, and then the third step in this is turning that one video into multiple pieces of content. Now you can turn this into posts, image posts, or you can crop small sections of your video and turn them into shorts and reels that are vertical style. You just want to have enough space between you and the camera so you can crop that properly. Now you can use CapCut or different video tools. We use a software called Tela. I'll post my affiliate link down below. That's what allows me to make these transition videos here. Once you can grab the transcription from that automatically. If you're not doing any of those tools, you can just go to YouTube a couple hours after you download it, and you can come download this transcription here. You can copy that and head back. Paste in your transcription, and what the transcription is going to do is going to pull out important pieces of your video, so then you know exactly what parts you can use for your posts and which parts you can pull out for your shorts and your reels. This is going to help you repurpose one video into over 30 pieces of content to make it easier for you to continue automating your marketing. Okay, and now you can see with AI, I've got 5 supporting assets based on my video that I can go ahead and use as posts. I can use as shorts. I can go back and hire a freelancer. I'll post my freelancer affiliate link down below so you can have someone for $5, $10 edit these videos for you and add some cool animations to them so they stick out. My chapters, so different things like that you need to automate. It even helps me create my blog posts and all of my social media posts from just one video. Okay, so I hope this video brought you a ton of value. Like I mentioned, I'm going to share a story next. I had a client actually come to us saying, Brad, my customers think I'm famous. They see my videos everywhere. So what they did was they started creating videos about 6 months ago. They started educating and providing value. And now people call them and say, I see your videos everywhere. I'm ready to work with you. They feel like they trust them. They've learned multiple things from them. And now they're a buyer. Or even if they don't become a buyer or if they do, they're going to have referrals. They're going to tag them. They're going to recommend them because these are the people that are not only building trust on camera, but they're staying top of mind with these video posts. So if you comment system down below, you'll get access to this tool. You'll go ahead and see in the last step here where I give you that 3-point setup on how to basically set up your lighting, make sure the audio is good, work on your camera. But the goal is consistency is key. You want to post these on a consistent basis. You want to provide value. And a lot of questions people ask me is how long the video should be. 5 to 15 minutes, 1 time a week. Let's just start there. So if this video brought you any value, be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And I'd love to hear more about you and your business. If you want to leave a comment down below, tell me about you. I'll follow and support you. And stay tuned to the rest of this playlist, Relationship Marketing, where I break down how to build better relationships online. We've got a couple more videos coming soon, so you can check those out. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.